let's talk about how to clean your B77 sewing machine. Now, this procedure is pretty similar with all drop-in bobbin sewing machines, so this would also work on the B05, the B79, the B37, the B38. All right, you're going to want to clean the bobbin race anytime you're changing your bobbin thread, and anytime you just notice your stitches getting a little funky. So first step is to take these two screws out of your needle plate, put them somewhere safe so you don't lose them, and then very carefully lift that needle plate up. Now, I have my machine on so that you can see what I'm doing, but it is advisable to do this with the machine off, just to make sure that you don't accidentally hit anything and to have that needle come down and hit your finger, all right? Now, the rule of thumb is you always want to brush lint out. So this machine is not overly dirty at first glance, and yet, look at all of that lint that I am getting out. So you always want to use your brush to lift the lint out of the machine. Notice that I actually took the little bobbin race out, and we never want to blow canned air or anything else in. So brushes, pipe cleaners, little paint brushes can work really well. Brush off the back of this. Then we're going to reseat this right down in here. You don't need to put any oil down in this part of the machine. Check the back of your plate, see if it has any lint that needs to be dusted off, and then set it flush right down there. And we'll return these screws. Now, on the side of your B77 and your B37, B38, B79, there is a screw cover. It pops out with your fingernail. It looks like this, and then there's a screw underneath it. If you unscrew that, this side casing comes off. And if you look at your machine manual, you will see that there is a needle bar in there that needs a couple drops of oil every 6 months or so. So this procedure that we just did of brushing the lint out, I want you to do this, just about every sewing session. So do this every bobbin or so. If you're quilting, make sure you do it absolutely every bobbin. And then you'll want to change your needle to a fresh needle every few bobbins. This oil in here happens about every 6 months. You can refer to your manual for that placement. But now your B77 is all fresh and ready to be threaded and start sewing.